Alright, let's cut to the chase. You've got a Relay account, maybe you're thinking about getting one, and a question is burning in your mind. Can you actually write checks with this thing? I mean, checks are like old school, right? But hey, some people still swear by them. So, let's dive in and find out. First off, what is Relay? Just a quick recap for those who are new to the party. Relay is basically a digital banking platform. It's designed to make your financial life easier, faster, and, well, more digital. You can send money, receive money, pay bills, and a bunch of other stuff without ever touching a physical bank branch. But, can you write a check? That's the million-dollar question. Now, let's think about it logically. A check is a physical piece of paper, right? You fill it out, sign it, and hand it over. Relay, on the other hand, is all about going digital. There's no physical branch, no tellers handing you checks. So, based on that, you'd probably guess that the answer is no. But let's be thorough. I've done some digging, and as far as I can tell, Relay does not offer the ability to write checks. It's simply not a feature they've included. Now, this might be a deal breaker for some people. Checks can be useful in certain situations, like paying rent or making a large purchase. But for most people, especially younger generations, checks are becoming a thing of the past. So, why doesn't Relay offer checks? Well, it all comes down to efficiency and convenience. Digital payments are faster, safer, and more secure. Plus, they leave a clear paper trail for your finances. Relay is all about streamlining your financial life, and checks are kind of the opposite of that. But don't despair, check haters. There are alternatives. Relay offers a variety of ways to pay for things. You can use their debit card, which is linked to your Relay account. You can also send money directly to someone's bank account, or even use their app to pay bills. And for those rare occasions when you absolutely need a check, there are still traditional banks out there that offer checking accounts. You could always maintain a small account at a brick-and-mortar bank just for those check-writing emergencies. Now, you might be wondering if this is a permanent situation. Could Relay add check-writing capabilities in the future? It's possible, but I wouldn't hold your breath. The trend is definitely moving away from checks, and Relay seems to be fully on board with that. So, there you have it. Can you write checks with Relay? The short answer is no. But don't let that discourage you from giving Relay a try. There are plenty of other features to love. And remember, while checks might not be dead yet, they're definitely on life support. It might be time to embrace the digital age and leave those paper checks behind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.